Hey guys, it's Brittany and I'm back with another video. If you notice my hand, I burned it on the stove today because I was fixing supper and I could have sworn that I haven't had an oven mitt on and I touched something hot and it's just all that. But it's fine now. But what I wanted to try and do today was finish the house tour. Right now I'm in our hobby room, and since I started it, since I started making the video upstairs, I'm gonna try and keep going upstairs and then show you downstairs, which is the living room and the kitchen and whatnot. So yeah, um, I'm gonna try and post this video on Tuesday around 4 p.m. sometime then, and then I'm gonna head to Walgreens sometime on Wednesday. Make a video then about all the deals that I can get, and then have that up by Thursday at around 4 p.m. sometime then. But that's Eastern Standard Time for me. It may be different for you. But I'm going to try and do that all this week because I want to start posting videos regularly. Um, I want to try and shoot for a video every Tuesday and Thursday. Uh, whether it's something new in the house, a baking video, or a couponing video. So I just wanted to show you all that. Anyway, let's get started on this house tour. I have a little follower with me today. She's gonna follow me everywhere I go on this tour, so if you want to watch her, go ahead. But we are leaving the hobby room, and here is the upstairs. And let me turn this on. Here's the bathroom. I like it. I wanted to do it in blue and white, and that's what I did. I really like it. I found that shower curtain on Facebook Marketplace, towels, all that jazz, and me, hi, all that, and hi Brandy. There's the stairs, go downstairs, and on my stockpile video, I didn't show you guys where I keep my toilet paper and paper towels. Here they are, along with other things. Paper towels at the bottom, toilet paper in the middle and top. It's not a lot of room, but it's enough room for me. And right here is our bedroom. It is kind of a mess right now. We need a bigger TV because if we put that TV right there on there, we can hardly see it from the bed. So we're gonna try and find a bigger TV. But our bed, his laptop, all that, the dresser, and the TV stand, and the fan, and the closet. That's all that's in here right now. Not much, but I'm hoping to get some more decorations to put on the walls. I don't know how I want to do this room. I know I want to do it in black. We gotta find another dresser that's black because that one's broke. It's pretty old. So we're gonna look for one tomorrow. But yeah, I'm really happy with how I have this laid out. That's an ottoman from downstairs. We didn't have room to put it anywhere because we have a table and we can't fit the table and the ottoman together because it's kind of cramped in there, but I'm fine with it. So I'll probably just keep that up here and leave it here so Brandy can lay on it. She's over there laying. She can lay on it whenever we go to bed. So that's our room. So now we're downstairs in the living room. Here's what it looks like. There's the TV, and there's a bookshelf, and a table, and there is my boyfriend's desk, and all that stuff. He likes to keep his desk down here, and I'm fine with that. The door, shoe rack, and there's a corner shelf that I use to put pictures of Brandy and stuff about dogs on. So that's it for the living room. It's not big, it's not really much to talk about. But here is a half bath. Turn the light on. Half bath, small. It's small and I actually enjoy it because I don't feel so cramped. I don't feel like, I don't know. It's cramped, but I guess I like it that way. And here we go into my favorite place, the kitchen. I absolutely love this kitchen. I have decorated it in like a cafe decor, because I think it's really cute and I love coffee. All my coffee decorations. Yeah. Sink, and there is a pineapple upside down cake that I just made. I love pineapple upside down cake. There's my KitchenAid, my Keurig, and my Ninja. And I bought this from Bed Bath & Beyond, and I absolutely love it. Even though it doesn't fit all the way, let's fall out. But it doesn't fit all the way, it won't shut, but I don't mind it because this is so useful to have, and I absolutely love it. So, the fridge, all that, and a microwave stand, but we put a toaster oven on it because we have no room over here to put it. So we just bought that, and I need to hang up that sign. There's all my baking stuff, some at the bottom and then some right there. Brandy's food, some snacks and stuff, and there's some more cafe decor. Absolutely love it. And here is the small laundry room. I'm fine with it being this small. I love it that way anyway. All of that, and I love that sign. I got it from Hobby Lobby. I love this washer. I got it used, $250 for the set. I absolutely love it. Even though I hate doing laundry, I do love that washer and dryer. And this door leads out to the deck. So that's what it looks like. It's raining right now, so we got tiki torches. I need to clean this deck. I'm probably gonna try and, hello Miller. I'm probably gonna try and stain this deck, pressure wash it first, then clean it up, clean up all the leaves, and then stain it, and then pressure wash all these cushions because I want it looking pretty out here. There's my tomato plant right there. I got that. It's called Back to the Roots. It's a tomato planter. It's a windowsill, but I just kept it outside because on the deck it only gets sunlight like in the morning, and then like in the afternoon it barely gets any sunlight. So I think it'll be good out here. But yeah, I love this spot. I really can't wait to start fixing it up. I'm so excited. And that's all for the house tour. I know it's a short video, but there really isn't much to show. If you have any questions on what you want to see, or like anything that I haven't shown you, feel free to comment down below and let me know. So yeah, my next video should be up on Thursday at around 4 p.m. It'll be a Walgreens video. It'll just be a Walgreens haul. It'll be about stuff that I bought at Walgreens, the deals that are on right now. So definitely I look forward to making it, and I look forward to showing you guys all the deals this week. Anyway, that's all for this video. Thank you guys for tuning in. Thank you guys for watching, and again, thank you guys for being patient with me. It means so much to me. But that's all for this video. Thanks guys. Bye. Happy couponing and happy baking.